is there something unique about the stress experience for Black women that cause us to have these
Mhm.
health disparities in our
Mhm.
birth outcomes that we have not looked at in the past?
Mhm.
And so that, if you will, is kind of the gap that
Mhm.
I was filling. I
Mhm.
was looking at stress, contextualized stress, if you will, race-related stress,
Mhm.
gender-related stress, network stress just being kind of a fancy term for stress from family, friends, and loved ones.
Mhm.
So thinking about this contextualized, nuanced, unique stress experience for Black women and how that may be impacting our birth outcomes.
Mhm.
And so I consider myself a stress researcher,
Mhm.
but I'm also super interested in this idea of anxiety. We know that stress can lead to preterm birth. We know that anxiety can lead to preterm birth. But I don't think that we've sufficiently elucidated that within the Black community,
Mhm.
especially talking about it with Black women.
Mhm.
And so I fundamentally asked the question.
Mhm.
I said, is there something unique? Well, first of all, I said, when I say the word stress, what comes to mind?
Mhm.
What does stress mean for you? And surprisingly or not, they said things like anxiety,
Mhm.
overwhelmed,
Mhm.
got a lot going on, right? And so I was like, okay, I knew anxiety was a thing, right?
Mhm.
And then I asked them things about superwoman schema.
Mhm.
Have you ever heard of the term?
Mhm.
What does it mean? Why do you think that this has come about? Are there benefits to it,
Mm.
right? Are there detriments to it? And so they told me. And then I also asked them things like about mindfulness.
Mhm.
Mindfulness, as I mentioned, I am a mindfulness instructor, and I'm really looking to ultimately develop a culturally tailored, patient centered, trauma sensitive, mindfulness based intervention targeting stress and anxiety in Black perinatal women in the hopes of being able to improve their birth outcomes. But if I'm being completely transparent, I'm interested in improving quality of life and well-being for Black women
Yes.
because I'm interested in
Yes.
improving quality of life and well-being for Black women, period.